Then I will continue the part in type of universal life insurance. First is the index universal life insurance. In this type of insurance, they have some characteristics. First is the minimum interest rate guarantee, which is usually lower than the minimum interest rate guarantee on a regular universal life policy.
Second is additional interest may be will credited based on investment gains of a specific stock market index. For example, S&P 500 index.
Third, there is a formula for determining the amount of enhanced interest credited to the policy. It usually places a cap on the maximum upper limits of additional interest credited to the policy.
Then is misunderstanding and unrealistic performance expectation. Some experts believe that during periods of poor stock market performance, the index policy generally will underperform when compared to a regular universal life policy.
The last characteristic is the policy as is regulated under federal security laws as well as state insurance regulation. For index universal life insurance, it is provide more complete disclosure.
Now I will continue to the second types of the universal life insurance, which is the variable universal life insurance. They also have some characteristics. The first is the selections of investments by the policy holders. In the variable universal life policy, it allows the policy holder to invest the premiums in a wide variety of investments. The premiums are invested in one or more separated accounts which similar to the mutual funds in daily operations. The accounts include common stock funds, bond funds, international funds, and other accounts as well.
Then, the second characteristic of variable universal life insurance is no interest rates or cash value guarantee. It is different with the universal life policy. It means that the universal life policy, the cash value account earn a stated rate of interest determined by the insurer from time to time. There is also have a minimum interest rate guarantee. However, when you buy a variable universal life policy, you will select one or more separate accounts and the policy cash value reflects the value of this account.
For variable universal life insurance, it is also relatively high expense charge. It may reduce the investment returns and erode favorable tax treatment. It has various expense charge which can more than offset the favorable income tax treatment. For example, front-end back-end surrender charge, state premium tax, and federal tax, investment management fee, modality and expense charge, and admin costs.
The last characteristic is the substantial investment risk. The variable universal life insurance is a risky type of the life insurance to own. There is a substantial investment risk that falls entirely on the policyholders. For example, if the investment experience is poor, the cash values can decline to zeros and vice versa.
That's all for our group presentation. Before end, let's watch the movie about universal life insurance.